C in 100 seconds for loops. The for loop puts everything in one line: where to start, when to stop, and how to step. I starts at 1, runs while it's 5 or less, and adds 1 after each pass. Inside the loop, we print I. 5 iterations, 5 numbers. You can nest them: an outer loop for rows, an inner loop for columns that gives you a grid. For every row, the column loop runs all the way through before the next row starts. One to 5 on the first line, then a 3 by 3 grid of coordinates. Init, condition, step. That's the for loop. Compact and predictable. Next up, functions.